So we have a 2010 Subaru Outback. Today we'll be doing the front brake pads. So the tools you're gonna need for this job is a 3/8 ratchet, 14mm socket, 3/8, and also something to pry with, a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar. You're also gonna need some brake grease, some brake cleaner, a rag or towels. You will need a brake caliper tool to compress the pistons back into the brake caliper, and also your new brake pads. You will need a 1/2" 19mm socket to remove the wheels, and a 1/2" impact, or you can use a breaker bar. So a nice tip when working on brakes, you can just turn the steering wheel to the opposite direction so that the brake caliper faces towards you, and it's a lot easier to access the bolts. All right, so we're gonna start by removing these 2 slider pin bolts. These are 14mm. All right, now once you got both of those bolts removed, you'll be able to pull the brake caliper off. Sometimes it comes off easy, sometimes you might need a pry tool. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and remove these slide pins. So once you remove both of these, you wanna get them cleaned up and re-greased. Take some brake cleaner, spray them up. And then take your rag or your napkin and clean off all the old brake grease. Now you remove your brake pads. Place. And we're gonna do the same for the back pad. Also your back brake pad, the one that sits on the inside, will have this squealer on it. And this is what notifies you when your pads are low. It makes that squealing sound. Now we'll take our brake caliper compressor tool and compress these caliper pistons back into the cylinder. Now place our caliper back over the pads. Push your sliding pins in. And make sure that it's sitting flush. Now we'll go ahead and put our bolts back in. So now we're gonna go and repeat the same process for the opposite side. And once you're finished, you want to pump your brakes until you feel them stiffen up, and then you'll be good to go. And that's how you replace your front brake pads on a 2010 Subaru Outback. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like and comment, and also subscribe. See you in the next one.